What's up, guys? Stop scrolling, because if you've been uploading videos with 0 views, stuck under 100 subscribers, or wondering if YouTube is too saturated in 2025, this video might just be your turning point. I'm about to show you exactly how the creators are growing fast this year, even with no fancy gear, no editing experience, and no audience. These are the real hacks people aren't telling you, and I'm breaking it all down right now. Let's grow your channel fast. Part 1, what's changed in 2025? YouTube in 2025 is not what it was even a year ago. The algorithm is smarter, the competition is higher, but the opportunities bigger than ever. Shorts plus long-form combo. Creators who combine YouTube Shorts with valuable long-form videos are growing up to 10 times faster. Shorts grab attention. Long-form builds loyal fans. You need both. AI tools are game changers. From generating video ideas to writing scripts, AI tools like ChatGPT, Opus Clip, and Pictory are letting creators pump out high-quality content fast. No excuses now. Personality beats perfection. In 2025, your authenticity matters more than your camera. Don't wait for perfect lighting. Start posting with what you've got. Part 2, step-by-step growth blueprint. Here's the exact blueprint to grow faster than 95% of new creators. Step 1, choose a niche that solves a problem. People don't just click for entertainment, they click for solutions. Tutorials, how-tos, reactions, money tips, anything that helps is gold. Step 2, create a hook that stops the scroll. Your first 5 seconds equals do or die. Start every video with a question, bold claim, or curiosity trigger. Step 3, post 3 shorts plus 1 long video weekly. This hybrid strategy feeds both the shorts feed and the homepage algorithm. Consistency is non-negotiable. Step 4, use this title formula. How to achieve result even if comments struggle. Example, how to grow on YouTube even if you're starting from 0. And step 5, optimize your thumbnails. Use bright colors, bold text, and emotion on faces. If they don't click, you don't grow. Simple as that. And part 3, monetization and motivation. Even small channels can earn in 2025. YouTube Partner Program. Get monetized at 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Affiliate links and digital products. Start promoting helpful tools you already use or create simple ebooks. Income before monetization is real. Mindset tip, don't aim to go viral. Aim to get one person to watch, like, and come back. Do that 1,000 times and you've got a real channel. Growing fast on YouTube in 2025 isn't a mystery, it's a formula. Follow it, tweak it, and don't give up too early. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Drop a comment with your channel niche, and I'll give you custom tips. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tutorial Masterclass YouTube channel, because this week I'm revealing how to go viral with faceless videos. Let's grow together. See you in the next one.
I'm full-time YouTuber, living my dream, can't lose. 500 million songs. I'm full-time YouTuber, yeah.